Oh, hi, STEMsters. Hey, don't throw away those old CDs like Netscape Communicator or Encarta 95 or your pirated copy of Office 2000 or Windows NT, because we're going to turn these into STEM. Hey, STEMsters. Today, we're going to make a CD rubber band car. Now, the rubber band was invented in 1845 by Stephen Perry. He used a vulcanized rubber to create the rubber band. And this is a great source of stored potential energy, or we call elastic potential energy. Just like the elastic band. It takes energy to stretch it, and then when it's released, it's strong enough to power this car. So let's get started and find out what we're gonna need so you can build your own CD rubber band powered car. Here are the parts and tools you're gonna need for your rubber band CD card. First, from your recycle bin, a piece of cardboard. Then you're gonna need a glue gun, your specialty cutters, scissors, 2 straws, 3 rubber bands, 8 bottle caps, 4 CDs, used CDs, and 2 skewers. Okay, STEMsters, now that you made your CD rubber band car, we're going to do some STEM with it. Now remember, we might want to redesign it, or we might use it for different things. The first thing you want to do is measure how far it will go on just one rubber band. You can also connect 2 rubber bands and see if it'll go farther, or maybe it won't. One way to find out is to try it out, and don't forget to write what you found in your data logbook. By making a platform car like this, you can actually add a basket and have passengers. You can have it like a dump truck and put rocks in it and see if that affects how far it'll go. Farther, or will it just go slower? The only way to find out is to give it a try, and don't forget to write the information you found in your data logbook. So until next time, this is Professor Jim, and don't forget to subscribe. Just press the button somewhere on there, and visit our website at ProdigySTEM.com. Bye.